In Florida, roughly 200 new laws signed by Governor Ron DeSantis take effect today, impacting guns, abortion, and education. One new law is prompting people to leave the state. Immigration legislation that imposes some of the nation's toughest penalties on undocumented immigrants. Manuel Bojorquez explains.
The run-up to the new law has sparked protests by immigrant workers, from those in the tourism and hospitality industry to those who work in agricultural fields. We recently met Yvette Cruz of the Farm Workers Association of Florida at an okra field south of Miami.
We are hearing people that are starting to leave. We're just going to keep seeing that more as the law will take effect.
She's referring to reports that some migrant workers are leaving the state, abandoning farms and construction projects. The new law invalidates out-of-state driver's licenses of undocumented immigrants, includes harsh penalties for those who hire them or transport them, which critics say can include family members. And it requires hospitals that get Medicaid funds to ask for a patient's immigration status. Republican governor and presidential candidate Ron DeSantis said the legislation is needed due to what he considers the Biden administration's failure to secure the border.
Now, at the end of the day, you wouldn't have the illegal immigration problem if you didn't have a lot of people that were facilitating this in our country.
But for farm workers like Ofelia Aguilar, who is undocumented but has children who are U.S. citizens, the new law sparks fear of separation.
So you have an 8-year-old child too?
Yeah, yo no lo voy a dejar a cargo de nadie. Si yo me voy, mi hijo se va.
She said she recently fell off a truck while on the job and was bedridden with a back injury for 2 weeks, but did not seek medical care for fear she'd be asked about her immigration status.
So that's your biggest fear. Ese es su temor más grande.
Claro, el menor.
¿Por eso prefiere usted estar en cama?
Sí, que irme a la emergencia.
You'd rather just wait it out in bed, try to heal yourself, than go to the emergency room.
The Florida Policy Institute estimates nearly 10% of workers in Florida's most labor-intensive industries are undocumented. Employers and workers uncertain about the future the new law will bring. Manuel Bojorquez, CBS News, Miami.